steps in there.
Oh.
Owie.
How do you want to put it in? Slide it up in there? Oh, you need a pump.
Yeah.
Bye, Sebastian.
Ashton's driving Dad. Something's driving me.
Poor chickens. They're gonna have whiplash.
I don't know. Where is he going?
Your dad told him to do that. He stopped at the crossing.